Hey, what's going on, dudes? It's been a couple weeks now, I think, since our last video. But hey, I'm back and I'm here to tell you guys something kind of like about maybe more of a tip or something like that. Now, I still got the moving camera thing. It's still happening, but just know that I swapped it out. So now we got ourselves a secondary camera, and now this camera's way over here. My cat Nuke is now sitting in his chair here and whatnot. But yo, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is something that I've kind of preached for a while, and that was to always try to mix things up every now and again. Now, like when your viewers are sitting there watching you, they might get bored after some time, you know what I mean? Throw something new in there, get something new in your background, redecorate. I literally took my entire office and I rotated it like 90 degrees. So now I'm against this wall, I was against that wall, I used to be against this wall, I haven't touched that wall yet, but I'll get there at some point. So just want to let you know, I'm doing what like the stuff that I tell you guys, I'm actually using in practice. And I feel like it's something kind of new and refreshing to do every now and again for your viewers. Now I've went ahead and I've created new content as well on top of just moving my room around. You know, I've made some new stingers, I've made some new overlays, I've made some new everything. And that was to really try to promote a sense of something new, something engaging. And I built my viewers up a little bit over the course of a week. I should have done it longer, but anyways, I built my viewers up to this moment like, hey, everything's gonna change, come in on Monday, and everyone was there and they were excited, and a lot of people I haven't seen in a while came through, and just letting you know that this kind of stuff works to like build up hype and let people see something maybe new that you want to try out. So here I am. I attempted a new space, and I'm still working on it, still fine tweaking and adjusting and whatnot, and trying to deal with the second cam here that I usually have for a cat cam or like a room cam, but now it's a camera sitting in front of me and it doesn't really look right to me. So I gotta work on this one. And then I got that cable over there. It's all besides the point. And there's a bare wall right here too. And it's my nano leaves. I ripped them off and it tore my wall apart. I didn't put the proper, that's besides the point. But just letting you guys know, that's what I ended up doing. And on top of that, I ended up creating some merchandise that's available for a limited time with Champion. So if you guys want to get some activator merch, this is what it looks like. So on top of everything that I'm doing, I'm creating new stuff. I'm working and reaching out to brands and trying to advertise a little bit more. I've made some commercials for Supps. That's one of my sponsors. Now they're not sponsoring this video. They sponsor my streams. So they're not this. I mean, you can get a discount. You can get a percentage. Just go get the discount. I'll put it down below, but it's an energy drink and it's like powder and you put it in water. It's delicious, dude. Whatever. But if you guys want to go ahead and check out the Champion merch, go check it out, man. It's pretty cool. And I will end that video there, man. I wanted to keep this nice and simple and let you guys know that I'm still working behind the scenes here and creating new stuff and trying to develop stuff. But yeah, come back maybe next week and I'll have a video for you. Another tutorial video. I've been seeing you guys' comments and whatnot, so I got ideas, and I definitely want to respond to some of you guys, especially about capture cards, consoles, just workflows, workspace, all this kind of stuff. There's a bunch of stuff out there that I want to get to, so come back next week. I'll try to make a video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I don't want to say like and subscribe, so